everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now when it comes on to vitamins and minerals, especially essential vitamins and minerals that are good for you, we find these in most of the food that we eat. Now most of this food also contains the same vitamins and minerals that you can use on your skin topical. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you one of these special vegetable that is good for your health overall. It contains vitamin A, it contains vitamin C, it also contains antioxidants that will hydrate the skin. It will also help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, and best of all, it helps to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So if you're curious to see what this vegetable is and also how to use it to make a facial mask for all the amazing benefit to have your skin looking younger and fresher, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you the vegetable. I will also show you how to use it in a facial mask, and I will show you how to use this facial mask on your skin for best result. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have some fresh spinach, and before I tell you all about the amazing benefits of spinach to the skin, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wash the spinach. After washing the spinach, I'm going to be blending. So you're going to need a blender for this recipe. So while we are preparing the spinach, guys, you might already know that spinach is great for your health overall. And even though it probably wasn't your favorite taste as a kid, spinach has so many benefits for your skin. When applied topically, spinach is rich with benefit for your skin health. The leafy green makes the appearance of your skin look younger and fresher. Spinach is loaded with antioxidant vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which will help with premature aging. Spinach will help to even out your skin tone. Spinach also, guys, work to hydrate the skin. Now once I load my blender with the spinach, the next ingredient is rose water, and rose water is hydrating to the skin, guys. Rose water can be used as a facial toner on your skin. You can also choose to put rose water in your refrigerator and just use it on your skin when you're feeling hot and your skin is feeling dry. So I'm going to pour about a 1/8 cup of rose water, and we're pouring this in with the spinach leaves, and then we're going to cover. Now once we're done blending, we're going to strain. And look how rich this is, guys. Really, really rich. Just removing any form of particles. Now here we have our spinach and rose water mixture, and there's two things that you can do with this, guys. You can use this up in your homemade remedies, or you can choose to put this in a spray bottle, put it in the refrigerator and spritz it on your face, spritz it on a cotton pad, soak your mask sheet, cover your face with it to get the full benefit of this. Now take a look at our next ingredient. Here we have some rice. Today we're using white rice. You can go ahead and use purple rice or even some brown rice or black rice. And rice contains antioxidants that will help to tighten that skin. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a 1/4 cup of our rice, and we're going to pour our rice in our blender. And we're going to cover this. And we're going to blend. Make sure your blender is dry when you're blending the rice. Here we have our blended rice, blend to a powder. You can choose to use rice powder for this recipe. And now, guys, let's put this aside. And now we're going to put everything together. 2 tablespoons of the blended rice, which is about 60 ml. Next, I'm going to use some aloe vera gel. You can use fresh aloe vera gel for this recipe also. I'm using 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil, 30 ml. You can use oil of choice, whether you're using olive oil or sweet almond oil. Pour this in. Now we're reaching for our spinach rose water blend. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of our rose water spinach mixture. We're going to give this a little stir. You can also choose to add some honey to this mixture. Now after blending, take a look, and now we're going to pour this in our jar. Make sure to get everything out. And now take a look. Here we have our facial mask. And this can be stored in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. Let me get my jar. You can choose to add a little bit of a vitamin E oil to this. Kick it up a notch. And here it is, guys, your spinach rice facial mask. Now here we have our facial mask, and I've already applied some to my skin. So what you want to do, you want to apply it to clean skin, and you want to be generous with it on your skin. So apply it all over your skin. A thick layer will do. And this have a bit of a granules in it, so you can choose to exfoliate your skin with it while applying it on your skin. So totally cover your skin with the facial mask. Totally cover your skin. What I like to do, I like to kind of exfoliate my skin with it. Don't forget the neck and décolleté, guys. And once this is done, you're going to sit with this on your skin for about 30 minutes. Don't forget your upper lips, since this is good for wrinkles and fine lines. So once this is done, you're going to sit with it on your skin for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to rinse this off, preferably with some cold water. And then you're going to pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare product to your skin. Now this mask / scrub, guys, is good to use at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. Also, guys, don't forget that you can also use this on your hands. Just exfoliate your hands with it a little, and then you just leave it on your hands for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you rinse off. So don't be afraid to give this one a try, guys. Just use it for a couple of weeks, guys, and take a before and after picture. You can actually send them to me if you want me to show your before and after picture, but use it and then come back and comment. Thank you. Now if you have acne prone skin, this is an ideal facial mask for you. To make it be even stronger and more effective for your acne prone skin, I suggest you get some tea tree oil and add about 2 to 3 drops of the tea tree oil to this. Use it on your skin for a week, and guess what, guys, this have antibacterial properties, also the spinach, and before you know it, your acne is gonna start drying up. Amazing for the skin. All right, so give it a go, use it for a while, and then come back and leave a comment. So there you have it, guys. What an amazing way to use spinach topically on the skin. Really and truly amazing. Give it a go, guys. Use it for a couple of weeks and then come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching. Also, guys, if you have another vegetable that you personally like to use on the skin, feel free to share it with us in the comment box below. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.